Hi. So now we are going to see how to invite your employee or anyone inside your Bitrix24. How to send an invitation from your Bitrix24 to join your Bitrix24. The second one will be also seeing how to change your email ID and password if you are already a registered member user inside your Bitrix24. Okay, the first is just send an invitation. Just go to the right side top corner, click invite, and again click invite. And we have three options. Let me go one by one. First one is invite via link. Here, just click the first option, and then you'll be able to see the copy link. Click the copy link, and you can send it to your concerned employee. And this is a department. So if you have any departments, you can also pre-allocate the department, and you can change the link also. So here you can click create a new link, and again copy. You can copy the link and you can send it to the concerned employee, so that automatically when he joins, automatically will be joining in the BDM department. Now there is an option. If you notice, there is an option called request administration confirmation to join. So if you enable this, then administrator who is in charge of the Bitrix24 even is able to join inside Bitrix24, unless until he approves, he cannot able to join. So what does this mean? When you send this link to your employee, they will be doing all the formalities of logins, and once they are done, admin will get a notification to approve. Once he approves, he will get an employee will get a notification that your registration has been approved. Now we can log in with the help of his username and password. Okay. Second one is invite via email. So this is no, choose the department, which department you want to belong. Just choose the department, and if you come down, there's Bitrix24 email invitation. Click this, and choose the email ID and send a invitation. So now the invitation will be going to the concern email address, the concern employee email address. Now where he will get a registration link, and he can join using the registration link inside the Bitrix24. And there is another option where if a client is not having the email ID, you can also use the phone numbers of your client. Just put your client or an employee of your phone number. So employee's phone number can be created there, and then put name, first name and the last name, and click invite. Automatically, he will the employee will get an invitation in the SMS. So previously we saw invitation via email. Now we are seeing invitation via SMS. Now the last one is add new user. So this is not an invitation. Without invitation, you can add him as an employee, add him as a user inside Bitrix24 even before he accepts. Okay. So just put the username and last name and the mail ID and the position. And if you have any projects, you can also include him in the projects before he register inside Bitrix. And then choose the department again. And then this is what I'm referring. So there is two options. One is without confirmation and with confirmation. If you enable this, then even your employee or your client accept the invitation, he will be member of, he's a user, he will be a user inside this Bitrix24. If you disable this, no, he will be a user inside Bitrix24, but the Bitrix will wait till he gives a confirmation. So he will receive an email that no, you got a new account created inside this Bitrix24. Just accept it, just approve. He will approve it, and then automatically a Bitrix will enable. If he doesn't approve, still the user will account will be inside Bitrix, but still it waits till the concerned employee or a client gives an approval. Okay. Now the second thing is, how do you change the login credentials? Again, go to the right side top corner, click the display, and then click your profile. And inside the profile, top side right corner, there is an option called password. Click this password or security. Both option is okay. Click it, and you can able to see password and then email. If you want to change your password, click the password edit option, which is near to the password. Or if you want to change the email ID login credential, click the edit email ID login credential. Now click it. Here you can able to see two options again, email ID and password. Now we are going to do the changes in email ID. So for the login credentials, I'm just clicking this. Just put your new email ID and then click the password, current password. And this option is simple. It is if you're having a 2-3 accounts, 2-3 Bitrix24 accounts. For example, this account is nofec.bitrix24.in. If you have company a.bitrix24.in, company b.bitrix24.in, so you have 2-3 company you bought for Bitrix24, 2-3 license you have. That time you just enable this, so that automatically all the other companies you have, all the other accounts you bought, automatically it will be updated. Okay, and click save. That's it. So I hope you have your doubts have been clear. If you have any doubts, put it in the comment. We'll prepare as a next video. Thank you, and subscribe our channel.
Please like and subscribe this channel to get more videos about the upcoming business-changing softwares in the market that can boost and increase your revenue and productivity faster.